I never had an experience like this.
You know, mashallah, Sheikh Yasser really went above and beyond to make this a memorable and, you know, fully encompassing trip for our group.
This was a very spiritual journey, and I'm thankful that Sheikh Yasser put this together.
It was such a blessing. I feel like everything that they did in coordination and very timely and very organized.
Alhamdulillah, everything was perfect. Never did we doubt Sheikh Yasser that there would be a delay or anything. Very happy with the service.
We came with Sheikh Yasir through Imam Travel for Umrah. Alhamdulillah, everything was great, very well organized.
Also, as per the organizations, it was very well organized. Alhamdulillah, it was a great journey. Every single day was packed full of a very exciting.
The hotels were luxury hotel, to be honest, close to Masjid An-Nabawi, close to Al-Haram. It was a great experience overall.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, this is my first Umrah trip, but it went amazing, very great. And you know, with Sheikh Yasser being a local here, he has grown up here. Every advice he's given us and every opinion he gave us turned out to be right and correct.
It was such a great experience. He's such a great guy, and we can really recommend for anybody for him to coming here for Umrah or Hajj. He's such a nice guy. Thank you so much.
बहुत satisfied. I'm really satisfied. इंशाल्लाह next time भी आपके पास ही आएंगे और लोगों को भेजेंगे आपके पास.
अल्लाह का शुक्र है, बहुत अच्छा ट्रैवल और ट्रिप रहा हमारा ये वाला, और रिकमेंड करेंगे शेख यासिर को नेक्स्ट टाइम भी.